Hi everyone, today I'm going to demo for you a product called Blocker for BlackBerry. This is an epic mobile application. You can get it at callblockerforblackberry.com. You can also find it, of course, on the BlackBerry app world. So here it is here on the desktop here, your home page. It's a green icon with the red X through it. You start it up, you can get these options here for activating your call block filters or deactivating. In case you want to toggle that during the day. You could also have an option here to launch the application at startup. It's always kind of handy to have this on all the time. Make sure that the application's running always. And down here you see an empty list of, there's actually no call block filters that are added yet. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to add one here for you. Here's an incoming call. This guy is like a telemarketing. He's been calling me all day. I don't know what he wants from me, but I'm not interested in taking the call. He's been annoying me, so I'm going to go to the phone application. As you can see, the call blocker for BlackBerry will be integrated in your phone application as well as the address book and contact list. So when you go to the menu here, there's an option for add phone block filter. So with this integration, you don't have to type in the phone number at all. It'll just come from your address book or phone application. So what this is a number sequence pattern that all incoming calls are going to be tested against. So you have the option here of specifying how that match should occur. Here it says contains. Well, of course you have unknown, private. You have the option for starts with, ends with. So I'm going to leave it at contains here. You also have an option here to disable, allowing the user to submit a voicemail, but I'm going to allow that for now. And you could also clear the call log from your phone application automatically at the time of blocking the call. You could toggle if you want to set a time, start time, end time for this block to take effect in case you want to make sure that no incoming calls are coming at night or a time of the day where you don't want any calls coming in. So I'm going to allow that filter like that. I'm going to block always. So if you can see here, the C for contains, the number pattern 555-3333, and it's set to block always. So I'm going to show now what happens when a call comes in 555-3333. This time, that's it. It disconnected automatically. It happened so quick you can't actually see the well, it flickered there very quickly, but the phone application recognized the block and disconnected the phone immediately. I'll try one more time, and it disconnected again. If you go to the phone application, you can see that these numbers were coming in at 2:22 p.m. You could also look at the last 50 block call list, and you can see that these numbers were in fact coming in and blocked. I'm going to show you again a 1-800 number test. So I'm going to go, starts with this time, I'm going to go 1-800. I'm going to not allow voicemail. I'm going to clear the call log this time. Set the time. I'll leave this to block always. So there's the entry. S for starts with, 1-800 number, block always. So I'm going to show you what happens when now different numbers come in here for 1-800 numbers. 1-800-333-4444. Going to create a call and disconnect it immediately. Here's another 1-800-666-7777. Disconnect it again. And 1-800-555-9999. Okay. So yeah, you can tell that it's working. It's disconnecting. Well, it's blocking those calls immediately. If you go to the phone application, you can see that the call log entry has been deleted, just as it was supposed to. And of course, if you go to the last 50 block calls, you can see that those entries for the 1-800 number, they actually did come in and were blocked. So if you need a log of this information, You know, if it's a stalker or something like that, you got a list of these last 50 block calls. The other thing I wanted to show you, the address book, the integration in the address book. Of course, it's fully integrated in here. So with the address book, you could have you could have up to 8 different phone numbers selected here. So when you go into the add phone block filter this time, it's going to pull up a phone number select dialog box where you can select which number you want to block on. So you can go OK, and again, there's the phone number. You have all the options here for controlling how you want this this number to be blocked, and that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Again, you can get it at callblockerforblackberry.com, as well as the BlackBerry app world. Thank you.